guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these friendship bracelets. Let's get started. So you're going to start by choosing your colors for your 4 strings. For this project, you're going to need 4 colors of string, scissors, a ruler, and tape. So you're going to take your ruler and measure your string about 4 rulers long. You can always make your string longer if you want a bigger bracelet. And you're going to want to do this for the rest of your colors. Now you're going to align all the tips of your string. Now you're going to want to take all the tops of the string and make sure that they are all aligned. If there is any excess string, you can just cut it off. Next, you are going to tie a knot at the top of your strings. However, this knot should be around 4 to 5 inches away from the actual top. As you can see here, my knot is 4.5 inches away from the top. Now, just cut the top in half. To make sure my bracelet doesn't move, I taped it down and put the tape on top of it. Now you're going to want to braid the rest of the string that you cut in half. And remember, all you have to do to braid is to alternate bringing the side strings to the middle. After you have about 2 inches of string left, you are going to want to tie a knot at the end. Then you're going to want to trim the end off. Next, separate the colors of your string on each side in any order you would like, but make sure that they are the same. After they are separated, you're going to want to form a 4 with the first string and tie it to the second string. You're going to want to repeat this step twice for every string on that side. Once you are finished tying the right side, you can start on the left side by doing a backwards 4. You are basically repeating the same steps but in the opposite way. Don't forget to make sure that your knots are tight. Now that you have finished both sides, you are going to want to make a 4 in the middle and tie it 2 times. This is going to connect both sides so that you don't have a gap in your bracelet. Now just repeat steps 10, 11, and 12 for the rest of the bracelet. This process can take a very long time, so feel free to take breaks. And here's me finishing my last row. Once you are done, you can wrap your bracelet around your wrist to see if it fits you. Remember, you can always make your bracelet bigger or smaller. If the bracelet fits, tie a knot at the end again, like so. Once you have tied your knot, braid the rest of your string like you did in step 7. Check to make sure your braid is the same size as your previous one. Once your braid is finished, just tie another knot. The last step is to cut the end of your bracelet. Don't forget to make sure that both ends of the bracelet are the same size. And you're done! That's how you make a friendship bracelet.